Here's the HDI indicator. You put on a blade. You can slide it back and forth to look at the height of each edge. This one's got a little whoop-de-doo in there, and that's because the tip on the bottom here, this is a used one. It's got a little line that's in there because it's been used for a lot. So I've ordered a tip. This is tools from Edge Specialities, but they got bought by Wissota, so they've got some spare tips. You can unscrew that. And so there's the tip in there. It's got a number 448 fine thread. Comes off counterclockwise, but you can see there's a little mark on there from years of use. So it's got a little jump when it touches here on the edge. When this is in here and clamped, you can slide the dovetail back and forth to get it on the edge of the blade here, and then you can get it to where it's on the edge there. To measure the two heights, you can set it on 0 and see what the height is at the two edges. So if you've got a, here's the edge of the blade, the cross section. And the tip right here is going down and touching onto this, and it'll touch from this edge to this edge here. So if you set this to 0, this is going to read the distance it's high. So you can move this back and forth to make sure that the height, these two are the same. It's the same thing if you put a bat gauge on there. You measure the tilt here to make sure it's not 1 inch higher or lower. Again, this is the HDI indicator. Been around for many years. It's now owned by Wissota in Minneapolis.